Hello class, this is Mom Says signing on. This video lecture will talk about an applet. What is an applet? Let's begin. An applet is a Java program that runs in a web browser. It is a small application that performs a specific task. It is also refers as Java applet, a program written in the Java programming language that is designed to be placed on a web page. An applet can be fully functional. It is a working fully functional Java application that supports a larger application program. Yes, that is possible. It's like Flash and JavaScript. The well-known Flash and JavaScript nowadays, which creates an interactive programs on the web. So that is mostly applet is used to make an interactive programs. Again, an applet is a program written in the Java programming language that can be included in an HTML page. Beginner programmer always start with the hello world, and this is the version of applet hello world. Look at that, look at your screen. What you see on your screen is a simple sample Java code of an applet. Below is a sample HTML code that calls the applet code. As you can see here on your screen, we have the My Applet Java for our Hello World program. And then we have here the HTML code, which our My Applet Java code has been called. And up there, at the right side of your screen, is the sample output of the hello. Here are some projects created using applet. So we have the analog clock, traffic lights simulation, we have the home design, the rainbow design, and the animation. Other examples of web-based applets include, if you are familiar with the QuickTime movies, Flash movies, the Windows Media Player applets, and many more. I can't wait to see your own design using applet. On our next video lectures, we will discuss the step-by-step procedure on how to write an applet program using NetBeans. We will discuss the code word by word, line by line. And that ends our discussion. This is Mom Says saying, act as if what you do makes a difference. Because it does. It really does. And so that's it. Watch out for more video tutorials. Stay safe and God bless everyone. Thank you for watching. This is Mom Says signing off.